Good evening mga ka-travelers. Tonight we are here in Triton Fountain in Valletta, Malta. The famous Triton Fountain landmark. Yan mga ka-travelers. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye bye. God bless. Bye.